This video is on Graco Simple Sway Swing review and how to use this Graco swing. Alright, let's start Graco Simple Sway Swing manual by covering these 6 key features, and I finish the video with my final thought and review, and I start right now. You have two options to power Graco Simple Sway Swing. The first option to power the Graco Simple Sway Swing is to plug it into an outlet. This is the Graco Simple Sway Swing power cord in case you want to replace it. You will save a lot on batteries if you use swing plug, and honestly the only trade-off is a little bit of inconvenience as you have to be close to an outlet all the time. The second option is to use batteries. This gives you flexibility if you want to take the swing to yard or patio. So, what kind of battery does the Graco Simple Sway Swing use? You need 4D or LR20 batteries. The batteries are not included. I put a link to the battery types in the description below the video to make sure we have the right Graco Simple Sway Swing battery size. Open the Graco Swing battery compartment by inserting a screwdriver into the coin slot on the top of the swing. Insert 4D or LR20 cell batteries. It is okay to skip this if you plan to plug the swing to an outlet and avoid Graco baby swing battery replacement. You have the option of adjusting the swing speed. There are 6 speeds. This is very helpful as your baby grows, you may need to use higher speeds. Having said that, one thing that I really don't like about this is the noise at higher speeds. Moreover, this Graco swing does the job to some extent, but it only swings side to side. Some other swings like Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy swing do side to side as well as head to toe. I have a separate video for that, I put a link here. There is also Memory Swing that offers much more options on swing modes. I have another video for that as well if you're interested. Lastly, this has a vibration unit with 2-speed vibration to comfort your little ones. You do need a battery for this, and the battery is not included. You can select 10 melodies and 5 nature sounds to soothe and calm your baby with this Graco swing. You can also control the volume here. On the plus side, the seat cover is removable and machine washable. This is for sure beneficial. However, the Graco swing cover replacement is not easy at all. I have a separate how-to video on that. So, how to wash Graco swing cover? You can machine wash the seat pad in cold water and delicate cycle. Don't use bleach and do not iron the seat pad. A common question, does the Graco Simple Swing recline? Unfortunately, the Simple Sway Swing does not have a recline option. This is not a deal breaker, but I really wish they added this. So what is Graco Simple Sway Swing weight limit and age range? You can use this baby swing for infants as young as 5.5 pounds or 2.5 kilograms. Stop using Graco Simple Sway Swing when your infant attempts to climb out or reaches 30 pounds or 13.6 kilograms. This is approximately 9 months. As the name says, this is Simple Sway Swing. This is more affordable and does most of the basic jobs of an infant swing. It can put your baby to sleep and give your arms a little rest. I put a link in the description to check the current pricing. If you're looking for more features, I would suggest Fisher Price Snuggle Puppy Swing. This baby swing has three main colors: Graco Simple Sway Swing, Abington, Sketch Safari, and Stratus. I also have other videos on assembly, disassembly, and cover removal of this swing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.